Hi boys and girls. So today's math challenge from the remote learning packet, which some of you may have been able to get today, and the rest of you can go Tuesday or Wednesday. Our challenge today from that packet for math is to scoop a cup of different colored cereal or other multicolored objects. So I don't have any multicolored cereal. The only cereal I have right now is Cheerios, and they're not multicolored. So I took some Legos, just a small handful of Legos, and I tried to get a couple of different colors in my handful. What you're going to do is you're going to sort your cereal or your objects by color. So I'm going to sort all of my green, all of my red, I have orange and yellow. Okay, so now that I've sorted my objects by color, the next thing I'm going to do is multiply each color by the others and record the multiplication fact. So what that means is I see that I have 2 green, 4 red, 3 orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. So those are the numbers that I'm going to use when I'm multiplying. So I'm going to take my greens and I'm going to multiply it by the 4 red. Then I'll do green times 3 orange, green times 5 yellow. So I would have, for my first one for green, 2 times 4, which is 8. Now I'm going to multiply green and orange. 2 times 3 is 6, and then green and yellow. 2 times 5 is 10. So you would go through and do that for all of the colors. So then I would do my reds. 4 times 3, 4 times 5, 4 times 2. Orange, 3 times 5, 3 times 2, 3 times 4. And yellow, 5 times 2, 5 times 4, 5 times 3, 5 times 5. Next, what you are going to do is draw an array for each multiplication fact. So I'm going to use these 3 multiplication facts that I just did and draw my array. Remember, arrays are organized in rows and columns. So this multiplication sentence, 2 times 4, really says 2 rows of 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is my array for 2 times 4. 2 rows of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2 rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you would do that for all of your other equations also. Then, kind of as a little challenge, I would like you to try to write the fact families for your numbers that you have. So for example, I'm going to stick with 2 and 4. So over here I'll do some fact families for the factors 2 and 4. Now we know that 2 times 4 is 8. So that's our first equation. 2 times 4 equals 8. And using those same 3 numbers, there's another multiplication equation that I could do. That would be 4 times 2 equals 8. Now I need to do division. So division, I take the largest number, which is the product when we multiplied, that becomes our dividend. So 8 divided by, I either use 2 or 4. Doesn't matter which one. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Again, I'm going to keep the same dividend. This time I'm going to swap around my divisor and my quotient. So since my divisor was 2 over here, I'm going to make it 4 down here. And that means that my quotient is 2. Okay, I hope this video helps you when you are doing your work today. If you don't have colored cereal or colored objects like Legos or doll toys or anything like that, then you could use crayons, colored pencils, strips of colored paper, or even you could use beans or rice or pasta, whatever you have. Make sure you ask your parents first though if you're going to use food. I hope this video helps you while you're doing your work today. I know it seems like a lot, so if you want to just pick one color to multiply all the other numbers by, that would be fine too. But make sure you're showing me your multiplication and your arrays. And then this fact family is kind of like a challenge, so I would like you to try that also. If you have any questions on your work, please let me know and I will help you out. I will be at school today, Tuesday and Wednesday, helping to pass out the remote learning packets. So I hope to see some of you there so that you can have the work at home to do on paper and then just take pictures of it to put on Dojo. But if you can't get there, it will be going on the Lynn Public Schools website soon. I will let you know when I get more information about that. I hope you all have a great day, and I hope to see some of you at school this week. See you tomorrow.